What's up, guys? InvestorLift recently just added in these new InvestorLift credits. So if you've been wondering like, what the hell are these credits? What am I supposed to do with them? Why do I have this balance at the top of my screen right here? That's what I want to talk about in this video. Let's get right on into it.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a...
All right, so the other day I logged into InvestorLift and I seen that I had this balance up here. I'm like, what the hell is this? I think it was like a little thing that came up on the screen too, like a video or some type of pop-up or whatever, but I just clicked off of it. I didn't even pay attention to it. So, but like now we have this balance. We have these InvestorLift credits. So what are they for? Let's talk about it. So if you click right here on the little read more thing, it'll take us over here to a frequently asked questions section about like what these InvestorLift credits are. So basically 200 credits is $1, right? So every dollar is going to be 200 credits. It kind of reminds me of almost like the casino or something like that, where, you know, you give the casino your money and then they give you back tokens or chips or whatever you want to call it or whatever, right? So, and then what can you purchase with InvestorLift credits, right? So let's say you throw like $50 onto your account. Well, you know, 6 credits for MMS, 4 for SMS, 2 credits for phone lookup, 24 credits for skip tracing. And this is actually a new thing right here where you can get these Artemis hot buyers for 5,000 credits. Now, I'm not sure if that's one person that you get for 5,000 credits. I'm assuming that may be just a one person. I'll try to get some specification on that at some point. However, so like, let's see how much these credits actually cost. Okay. So if we went over here to my account, then we can go to subscription and packages, and we're going to see that the 5,000 credits, that's $25. So if there was one buyer that you wanted to purchase, you'll be able to grab them for $25. I'm pretty sure that is just one buyer, I would assume at least. But either way, you see that they have packages that go all the way up to 400,000 InvestorLift credits for $2,000. Now, basically, when it comes to these Artemis mode hot buyers, essentially, if you're on the pro plan, when you go to Artemis mode, you're going to see that people have been looking at your property, right? However, you're not going to have that contact information. It's going to blur all of that information for you, right? You really want to be able to get in contact with those people. Those are the highest likelihood individuals to actually want to buy your property. Let's say they've been looking at that property for 10 minutes and have clicked through 138 images. Like they're super, super interested in your property. You want to lock those people up. That's going to cost you about $25 to get that buyer. All right. So if you wanted to add on those credits, you will go over here to subscription and packages, and you will go ahead and purchase your credits. And then you can also use those same exact credits to go ahead and skip trace people, text message people inside of the system, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, that's what InvestorLift credits are, like in a nutshell. Nothing too crazy or whatever. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of like a token with like chips at a casino or something like that. But this is a new feature. Like the credits are a new feature. And also InvestorLift is, for the first time, as far as I know, allowing pro users to actually see all of that data from Artemis mode. Now you can really hone in on those hot buyers and those neighbor buyers and really be able to see what they're doing and be able to actually get in contact with these people. So let me give you all an example of what that looks like. All right, I'm going to try my best to blur out the buyer's information right here. But essentially, like right here in Artemis mode, as you scroll down, see we've got a ton of people that were interested in this particular property. Now, if you're on the pro plan, I'm pretty sure that this information is going to be blacked out for you. And you have to click the button in here that's going to say purchase buyer, if I'm not mistaken. It should just say purchase, right? So you go over here, it's going to say purchase. You click purchase. It's going to cost you 5,000 InvestorLift credits. And now you're going to be able to actually have that person's email, phone number. You could text them from right here inside of the system, et cetera, et cetera. Now you're actually building up that buyer's list. Now you can go ahead and reach out to that person individually. Hey, so-and-so, I saw you checking out the property out in Texas. Are you still interested in that? et cetera, basically. So that's kind of how it works. I think that this is going to be a really cool feature for people, maybe on that pro plan. Maybe you're not on the lieutenant plan like we're on, which is significantly more money, right? But you can, let's say like you're on that lower plan, you can kind of balance it out or whatever, even though you don't have access to, millions of buyers and stuff like that. You could be reaching out to the individuals that are most interested in your property regardless, because it's still, your properties are still going to be on the marketplace, and you want to leverage that as much as possible. You also, not only do you have the my buyers, but you've got the neighbor buyers as well. And you're going to be able to purchase these people as well. If I'm not mistaken, you should be able to purchase these people too. Now, for all of you all that don't have the lieutenant plan or higher, or like Falcon mode or higher or whatever, you're going to need buyers to send these properties out to. So I do believe that these credits are going to give you access to a lot more data about the individual deals that you're working on. Say, for instance, you went inside of here, you got a property, you've been getting a bunch of people like putting in property inquiries, for instance. Let's say you spend like $250 and go buy like the 10 hottest buyers in the neighborhood that your property is in and ask them if they'd be interested in selling. Yeah, it's $250 for maybe 10 conversations, right? But this stuff adds up. If you got a $25,000 spread on that property, that $250 is a drop in the bucket. It's worth it. So guys, check it out for yourself. Just wanted to make this quick video to kind of give you all an idea of the of the InvestorLift credits, how to use them, what they are, et cetera, et cetera. There's going to be a little button at the top that you can use to go back and go to this frequently asked questions page, so you can get your questions answered if you did have any other questions about what you can do with them, or et cetera, et cetera. But I'm pretty sure that for the 5,000, you get one buyer. I'm going to try to confirm that before I release the video. So if anything, it'll be down in the description or the comment section below the video, if anything. But yeah, definitely check it out, guys. Let me know what you all think about it. And if y'all aren't already using InvestorLift, guys, what are you doing? Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Use the link down below to get 10% off your order when you head over to InvestorLift. All right, that's going to be a savings of at least $500+ if you use my link and then use code Wholesale Coach VIP when you're at checkout to get that 10% off discount. Check it all out. It's going to be down in the description, probably in the pinned comment down below. Anyway, though, guys, I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed as always. And until next time, we are hosts.